What's a renovation mortgage? A renovation mortgage allows you to create the home of your dreams. You have one loan that includes the purchase or refinance of your home, as well as the money for remodeling and repairs. Renovating your home. This is not a do-it-yourself project. Licensed contractors are required to do all work. The contractors are paid out of the funds from the renovation mortgage. If you're buying an existing home, no additional work or action is required by the seller or the realtor. The renovation work begins after the closing. A renovation mortgage loan is based upon the after repair value of the property, not the current as is value with a cash out refinance or home equity loan. So, if you're buying a new home, you may not have enough equity for a cash out refinance to make improvements. A renovation mortgage puts you years ahead of others who buy a home and fix it up little by little, year after year. Avoid using high-cost interest rate credit cards, a second mortgage, or refinancing to make home repairs and improvements. With a renovation mortgage, you can spread out the cost of an expensive renovation over 30 years. A renovation mortgage could present the possibility of creating instant equity, but it's not a guarantee. Your new home will be appraised using the after repair value, not the as is listing value. Here's an example of increased equity after repairs and upgrades have been made. In our example, the home was purchased for $325,000 in as-is condition, and $50,000 was required for repairs and upgrades. Now the property is worth $400,000, which is the after repair value compared to similar properties in the neighborhood. By subtracting $375,000, which is $325,000 for the purchase as is, and another $50,000 for repairs and upgrades. Now, by subtracting $375,000 from $400,000, we have a gain of $25,000 in equity just for making repairs and upgrades. So, what do you do next? Just stay on my YouTube channel and look for this video. There are many opportunities to use a renovation mortgage to create the home of your dreams.